So, hi guys! It's me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. So, today vlog is we're going to the dog store, in Presnap. Guys, we're going to buy Victoria's raining jacket because today, this month is autumn and it's raining season. So, Victoria's need the jacket, and because she's always cold, so we need we're gonna buy the 2-in-1 jacket. Inside is the warm for the winter, and outside is the shining raining jacket. What do you call that? It's like in the Philippines we call that is capote. Ayan guys, we're going to buy that for Victoria. So ayan guys, let's go. We're going now in Presnap.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Yeah, we're going in the pet store. We're going the what do you call it? The not jacket, the for the raining jacket for the dog. So guys, come on, we're going the raining jacket for the dog. Okay, come on guys, let's go. We're going to make shopping for our dogs. Ayan guys. Come on. Come on here. You see, we're making. So yan guys, we're here this Presnap. Bili kami dito ng jacket ni Victoria. Ayan guys. And of course, ayan ang ating ladies. We're going to buy a jacket. Ito yung jacket. Bilhin tayo ng jacket. It's here. So, Victoria, get the jacket. Oh my God, thank you. Guys, there we go. We're both the Victoria's jacket there. As you can see, no, you see, she's already wearing her jacket. So we don't find any jacket, different jacket, only this. Oh yeah. The price is 28 euro. 28, like 28.50 euro. And of course, ayan guys, pakpasin nyo what we bought. All them are mga bought also for them the gift. When they are good, they gonna get the gift. So there we go mga kalindo. Ayan. So this is it, pansit. So guys, there we go. We went in the Presnap, the dog store. Ayan. So this is the jacket what we bought for Victoria because today is raining and this month is already raining season here. It's autumn. So Victoria doesn't like go out without jacket or the or like this the raining jacket because it's really cold guys. Look at her. She's always in the bed. She's lazy. She doesn't want to go out. So guys, ayan, let's try natin to. That because Douglas, unlucky, doesn't matter raining or shine, they really love to go out, but Victoria's never. She doesn't want to go out. Ayan guys, so this is what I bought in Presnap. So the Hunter, the name is Hunter. Ayan, but guys, this is not, I will not promote this this product. Okay, I'm just only vlogging what kind of a jacket for Victoria. It's better because for her it's better with raining jacket, so he's love to go out or come with me to go out. So ayan guys, so the price is 28 49 euro. Ayan, this is it. So the color is black. I preferred black because when it's black, because when it's raining and wet or the mud outside, it's not getting or they're not seeing in this jacket either, or if I get the color white or something yeah, white or cream, it's not better. They will see quick the dirty, guys, and the mud. So look at her, guys. Ayan, she doesn't want to go, but we need to go out because dog need to go out. So ayan, guys, let us try. Ayan, so beautiful. So ayan, guys, there we go, the black. And you see, this is really for the raining. Ayan, raining. So ayan, this have the zipper, so we can put here where I put the leash, guys. So I will show you later. So ayan, guys, this is also in the Philippines we call this the what do you call when it's raining, the capote. Yeah, the capote. This is like a capote, but this is a raining jacket here. Ayan, guys, Douglas. And you will see outside, guys, here, inside. Ayan, it's very, what do you call it? This is for the winter. Ayan, so he keep warm. Ayan, because Chihuahua doesn't like, guys, the cold season. Ayan, Victoria doesn't want the cold. I know her. So ayan, guys, ayan, let's see and let's try this. Poor dog, Victoria. This is Pete. The size is, ayan, let's see what is the size from Victoria. Ayan, 30 centimeter long, and the size is black, and this is small, guys. Ayan, it's small because Victoria is Chihuahua. So ayan, let us try, guys. Ayan, let's see from Victoria because we're going out. Ayan, come here, Vicky. Come again, Ralph. Good girl. Come. So guys, let us try. Ayan, Victoria like it. And we order also for Lucky, guys, because Victoria need it also. So ayan, mga kalindog. Oh, ayan, this is, look at this, guys. Oh, I show you. Ayan, mga kalindog. There we go, mga kalindog. Ayan, oh, diba? This really jacket is beautiful, oh, diba? And then we need to put here the halsband. What is that? The collar. And we can put here the leash. So ayan, guys, so look at his, look at her, oh, diba? Elegant and beautiful. So ayan, guys, let us try na, diba? Ayan na, mga kalindog. Ayan yung kanyang collar, and we need to put there the leash. Ayan, so diba? Very good. So ayan, mga kalindog. So ganun lang. Pwede ngayon natin siyang close. So, ayan. Para hindi siya mabasa. It's not getting wet. Like that. And you see, Victoria is, what is that? She's shaking because she's cold. So, she doesn't want to go out when it's raining. So, ayan, guys. Oh, let us see. So, come on. Come, Vicky. Ayan. Oh, diba? She is very elegant now. So, ayan. So, even Douglas. So we can put like that also, para she's her head or neck is getting dry. So there you go, girl. So there we go, guys. We're outside. You see the weather is dark. The sky is so dark, and it's a little bit raining. And you see also even the street are very wet. So there we go, Victoria. You see, she's walking with her jacket. So there we go, guys. Victoria with her jacket. Okay, Vicky, love. So weather is not so good. The weather is a little bit cold and really nice or wet. You see, guys? So this is it. Unzip. Lucky's dog, Lucky. So, diba? So, the jacket is very useful. So, guys, you see, Vicky, here. Come here. The jacket for raining, or jacket for rain, is very useful. There we go. So, there we go. Victoria's jacket. Come, Vicky. Love. And because it's autumn, it's better. Guys, we're walking this autumn season. Ayan, diba? Very useful. Well, Douglas and Lucky also have the jacket for the winter and raining, but still not using, or I don't use to them because they are not always feel cold, not like Victoria. Victoria is always cold because she's very, very small and skinny, not like Lucky. You see, Lucky is thick, and Douglas is a lot of hair, so that's why for them it's not cold. They don't feel cold. Compare with Victoria. So ayan, guys, I show you here the weather. There we go. The skies are dark and the street are wet. So ayan, mga kalindog. So I hope did you enjoy my video for the jacket with Victoria. So guys, ayan, thank you, and please, diba? Beautiful ang kanyang raining jacket by Victoria. Diba? So, go Vicky. One. Diba? Hi, mga kalindog. So, they need to pee and poo. Ayan, guys. So, Victoria and others. So, there we go. Lucky and Douglas. So, ayan, guys. And you see, Lucky is already going to poo. So, Douglas, you need also. So guys, let me first take it the Lucky's poo-poo. Ayan, guys, we have here the plastic, so we need to take it the poo-poo. So guys, ayan, guys, thank you so much for the new videos again. So ayan, guys, I hope did you enjoy my video, and I hope again next time. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smile, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye. There we go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. So thank you for watching, and guys, what I said always, don't forget to smile. Bye. So until next time, until next my vlog. Bye.